All right, picked up a couple of accessories for the DJI Mini 3. I got my propeller guard off Amazon, relatively cheap, but I also got the Neewer filter kit for the Mini 3. So I'm going to open that up today and show you what's inside. So this just was from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the comments, in the description down there. And it comes with a nice little carry case and the 6 different filters. All right. It's a nice little carry case here, and it comes with ND8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and the CPL. Now, a lot of the criticism online is about how fiddly they are. Now, I have got arthritis in my fingers, and I can pick that out pretty easily, so not too bad. All right, as for getting them off, it is really easy on the DJI Mini 3. It's just a little twist and pull straight off. Now, be really careful where you put your lenses. You don't want to be placing them somewhere where there's dirt or grime. And this should go straight on over the top. Now, this is my first time putting these filters on, and that's how easy it is. So straight on over the top, nice little reflection, just twists off, goes straight back in. So it goes right through from ND8 right through to 128, and then also the polarized. Make sure I put it on the right way this time. I haven't again. And then just clicks on just like so. And with this polarization one, it has got an adjustment level on it as well. There you have it. That is the Neewer lens or filter for your lens for the DJI Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro.